Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to earn money legally and without much effort. All the options that I will show you require some initial effort, but once established, they can be passive ways of earning money. Sell products or services online. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through the sale of products or services. You can sell products on online platforms such as Amazon or Etsy, or offer services on platforms such as Fiverr. This may require an initial investment in inventory or skills, but once established, it can be a passive way to earn money. Invest in the stock market. Another way to earn money is through investment in the stock market. It's important to educate yourself before making any investment decisions, and not to risk more than you can afford to lose. Participate in online surveys. Many companies pay people to take online surveys about their products or services. It's important to research the companies to make sure they are legitimate before participating. Rent out a room or space in your home. If you have a spare room or space in your home, you can rent it out through online platforms such as Airbnb. Rent out your car. If you have a car that you don't use frequently, you can rent it out through platforms like Turo. Conclusion: remember, there are no magic solutions for easy money. Any way of earning additional income will require some effort, but these are legitimate and accessible options for earning a little extra money. Research and study the options that best fit your skills and resources, and good luck.